Hello, this is Journey Genius, Senior 426, Senior Project in Computer Science. Starting in fall 23 up until spring of 2024. This is our capstone project in the CSE department of UNR. Moving on, this is our team members, Kai Hiratani, Isaac Riley, and Ethan Tai. We're the Wanderers.
Alrighty, so let's jump into this. This is our homepage right over here. As you guys can see, this is vacation itineraries with Journey Genius. Going into the login process right over here, you'll enter your email, your password. For those who don't have an account, they will enter their first name, last name, email, stuff like that. But in our case, we already have a user, so we'll click on that. We're going to click on login, and for this page right here, we're going to have an updated home page. It's going to greet us with our first name.
We have a little main menu, makes our application special, and some featured destinations here and the most optimal way to travel. But we're going to go ahead, and after looking at that, we're going to go ahead and move on to the user profiling. As you can see here, we have different categories that the end user could choose. We have some activities, foods, landmarks. We're going to go ahead and choose some Asian food right now. And our activities, well, we're gonna go to the stadium. We have a clothing store. Yeah, you know what? We'll go to the shopping mall. Yeah, we'll save that, and that in turn gets saved for the user, and that will be adapted into their start planning itinerary section. We're gonna go check out Reno. How long is that trip? It's gonna be from the 23rd. Let's make it. Oh, whoopsies! From the 23rd to the 25th. I like that. Yeah. And, we're on a medium budget, so we'll work with that here.
Now, this is the generation process of our travel itinerary application. Right now, for the gathering data, we are utilizing a Google Places API. That's basically going to retrieve all that information based off of that selected location. That gets stored into a CSV file, and we get this right here from the TF-IDF models. From this page, you guys see the activities. But basically, we generated all these options for the user. They get to select this, and this will be sent to the generated overview page. As we scroll down, we can see different iconic landmarks and photo opportunities. We'll select Donner Memorial State Park, for example. As we scroll down even more, we have different options, different dining options. We'll select Twin Dragon, and also we have shopping spots. We'll select maybe this guy, for example. For the final part, we have different options for where you'll be staying. And now we'll click on Generate.
Once done with that, let's wait for this trip to generate. Oh, look at that. So we have the description here. Biggest list in the world. Welcome to Reno, Nevada. We have a little description for that. Sorry, that was a little slogan up top here. So, we can just read that. It gives us a little introduction to Reno. That's not a picture of Reno. We have some activities, and these got saved from the selected items. As you see, we have iconic landmarks, places to eat, shopping spots, and the accommodation. And then from this page, you can also have a little blow-up map of Reno so you can see kind of what's near around it. And you can see our little estimated cost too.
Now, on the bottom, we have 3 buttons: Customize Itinerary Details. We're going to click on that. And right here is essentially a day-to-day itinerary. We use a round-robin sorting method, basically just sorting all the different selected activities, and it displays it in a nice page just like this. Moving on to the saved trips, you can see we can go back to any of these saved trips. Here's the one we just generated, but we're going to close this again, and there's this. We get to view all the trips, we get to view them, and we also get to delete them. For the final bit of our application, we have a super user login feature. We're going to type into the URL, login superuser, and from here we can log in using our credentials. This right here is our dashboard. We plan to implement our different unit testing right over here. Moving on, we have our user accounts. You'll be able to see all of your different users as well as different functions from a business admin perspective. Thank you.
Thank you.